Welcome to the concrete jungle where dreams are made of and the city never sleeps. We're talking New York, New York, baby, the apple of the world's eye. If you're stepping into the Big Apple solo, here are some do's and don'ts to keep you savvy on your solo sojourn. Do explore beyond Times Square. Yes, it's iconic, but so is the rest of the city. Ever heard of a little spot called Central Park? Don't fall for the hot dog hype. Those street carts might look tempting, but your stomach deserves better. Try some local pizza instead. Do use the subway. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's the best way to feel like a real New Yorker. Just beware of rush hour. Don't forget to look up. Seriously, the architecture is stunning, but not while crossing the street, please. We're not responsible for any pedestrian mishaps. Do be street smart. New York is safe, but like any big city, it's important to be aware of your surroundings. Finally, remember, the most important part of solo travel is to have fun. Embrace the unknown and let the city that never sleeps keep you wide awake with wonder. It's a big, juicy apple out there, ready for you to take a bite. If you've enjoyed these tips and want more, remember to like and subscribe for more travel content. Stay savvy, travelers.